Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Open your favorite browser and search for DAR fonts. I leave link in the description. Tap on this first link. Here search for handwriting font. Open this script. You can download any of this fonts. Okay, let's download this font. After downloading, open Files Manager, and open Download folder. Unzip this file. Picsart not support OTF files. Let's download another font. After unzip the file, move this file to Picsart Fonts folder. Now open Picsart. Tap this plus icon to create a new project. Scroll up and tap Pick Canvas. Select this 1024 by 1024. I am going to delete this background, because of my logo should in transparent background. Now tap here. And here. Now go to text. Type your text. Select your text and tap here. Tap on My Font. As you can see, these are our fonts. Select any of them. Okay friends, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Please support me by subscribing our channel.